Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're making baked pork chop and gravy and onions. So for this recipe, I use salt and pepper, 1 can of cream of onion. I use all-purpose seasoning and salt and pepper to taste. So let's get started. Okay, to start off, I'm just gonna season my pork chop, which I have already washed them. So I'm gonna have to season them 3 at a time. So as I said, I use a little salt. So I season both sides of the pork chop. Both sides. Pepper. Now I'm using onion powder. And you season to your desired amount. I don't have no exact measurements or nothing. I am using some all-purpose seasoning. And I'm gonna place it in our pan. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't matter if they're on top of one another. And I'm going to continue on to seasoning the rest of our pork chop. So a little salt, and you want to always make sure you just season both sides of the pork chops. So the salt, little pepper. Little all-purpose seasoning. I don't even think I put pepper on the other side, but I think I need to do that. But all-purpose seasoning. Go back and add a little salt, mint, little pepper, like that, and onion powder. Place that in your pan. This quick, easy recipe right here. One of the recipes you just throw in the oven and go. So while I'm seasoning that, just check my oven, make sure I don't have anything in there. And I got my oven on 375. So preheat your oven for 375. And we're gonna finish seasoning our pork chop. And back. All right. Just gonna place these in here and I'll rearrange them. Just get this stuff right here out of my way. So you don't want them stacked like pancakes, but you want to get them in here and lay it around much as possible. Because once they start cooking, they're going to shrink anyhow. But you just want to squeeze them in here the best way you can. I got one more. I got to get in here some way or another. They got to be completely flat, but you don't want them on top of one another like pancakes. Pork chops laid down in there. Just wash my hands really quick. Next, you want to get a bowl. Set this over to the side. Bowl. And you want to take your cream of onion and put it in a bowl. And you want to take your can that your cream of onion came in, and you want to add just a little water, not a whole lot, just a little water. And you just want to stir it up, give it a good stir, loosen it up, that's all. And I'm gonna take my onion, which I forgot. Okay. Stir it up, mix it up, so like that. Kind of loose. Not a whole lot of water. You don't want it watery. Bring my pork chop back over. Get my onion. So I'm going to use my slicer. And I'm just going to slice some onions over in here. And you can take them and just spread them about. Ain't it pretty? Like the perfect circle. I love my slicer. It comes in handy because onions make me cry, but when I use the slicer, they don't make me cry. So that's why I like it so much. Cause oh, the onions be having my eyes burning. Like little circles. Okay, that's enough for that. Anyway, you're gonna take your cream of onion, and you just want to scoop it on top. If you want to use 2 cans, you can, but me, I'm only gonna use one. One can. This, I'm gonna take it, and I'm just gonna spread it all around. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? This onion want to be stubborn. Yes, just like that. Next, if you got any water left in your can, you just put a little water on the corners. Just a little bit. That's it. You're gonna take your aluminum foil. And you're gonna place it on top. Like that. And we're going to place this in the oven for an hour. And then in an hour, we're going to check it and see where we at. Okay? All right. And that's it. So we're going to check on our pork chops. Ooh, the heat. Very careful because it's hot. So they're cooking really good. At this point, you can turn them over or just try to mix it around a little bit. They're about halfway done. Put the aluminum foil off. I had to get another piece. Oven it in because this is really hot, but I need to, you want to just mix it around, try to get some of that cream of onion down there to the bottom. You can taste the gravy to see if you need to add, you know, if you want to add a little bit more salt or pepper or onion powder. You can taste the juices. All right. Ooh. Try not to waste it out of the pot. Okay. Get this one over here. Like that. Okay. So now we're just gonna place it back in the oven. Get some aluminum foil. in the oven and allow it to cook. For another maybe 30-40 minutes. And that's it. So we're just gonna check on our pork chops. Yes, they are done. They falling off the bone. They nice and tender. I'm turning them up. I don't want to turn them up. Yep, there you have it. Baked pork chop and gravy and onions in the oven. I hope you guys enjoyed my video of my oven baked pork chop and gravy with onions. And as always, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe below. Like, comment, and thanks for watching. Bye.